Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Top Tech. In today's video, we're taking a look at some of the toughest and most powerful rugged tablets you can buy in 2026. These devices are built to survive drops, water, dust, and extreme environments while still delivering strong performance and massive battery life. Whether you're working outdoors, traveling, or just want a tablet that won't break easily, this list has something for you. Links to all the tablets mentioned are in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ulefone ArmorPad 4 Ultra. Designed for extreme environments, this rugged tablet combines strong performance with serious durability that makes it ideal for outdoor professionals and adventure users. Built with IP68 and IP69K certification, along with military standard 810H protection, it can survive water exposure, dust, drops, and harsh working conditions without reliability concerns. The 10.36-inch display delivers sharp visuals with good brightness levels, making it easier to read maps, documents, or video content even under bright sunlight. Performance is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, allowing smooth multitasking and stable operation across demanding applications. A massive 11,800 mAh battery ensures long usage time, often lasting a full day or more without needing to recharge, which is extremely useful for fieldwork or travel. Connectivity features such as 5G support, NFC, GPS, and expandable accessories add to its versatility. The rear camera features a strong 50-megapixel sensor capable of capturing detailed images in work environments. Pricing typically starts around $499 to $549 on Amazon, making it a strong value considering its premium durability and modern hardware features. Number 2. Blackview Active 8 Pro. Built with durability and endurance in mind, this rugged tablet focuses heavily on battery life and outdoor usability, making it an excellent choice for long trips or demanding workdays. The reinforced chassis features IP68 and IP69K waterproofing along with military-grade drop resistance, ensuring dependable protection in tough environments such as construction sites or outdoor exploration. A large 10.36-inch display provides clear visuals and strong viewing angles, which helps when using navigation tools, streaming content, or reviewing documents. Performance is handled by a MediaTek Helio G99 processor combined with up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, delivering reliable multitasking and stable everyday performance. One of its standout features is the massive 22,000 mAh battery, which can easily last multiple days on a single charge depending on usage patterns. This makes it one of the longest-lasting rugged tablets currently available. Stereo speakers deliver loud audio output, useful in noisy environments. The camera system includes a 48-megapixel rear sensor suitable for capturing field documentation. Pricing typically ranges between $399 and $459 on Amazon, offering strong battery-focused performance at a competitive price point. Number 3. FOSSIBOT DT2. Engineered for users who demand extreme battery capacity and durability, this rugged tablet offers an impressive balance between performance and reliability in harsh conditions. Built with reinforced edges and full waterproof protection rated at IP68 and IP69K, it is capable of surviving dust exposure, accidental drops, and water immersion without damage. The large 10.4-inch display provides detailed visuals and strong brightness output, making it useful for reading technical files or watching content outdoors. Performance is supported by a MediaTek Helio G99 processor paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which allows stable multitasking and smooth operation across productivity and entertainment tasks. The biggest highlight is its enormous 22,000 mAh battery, which supports extended operation for days without needing frequent charging, making it extremely practical for remote work or long travel periods. A 64-megapixel rear camera offers strong image clarity for capturing worksite photos or outdoor moments. Additional features include fast charging support and dual SIM capability. Pricing typically sits around $429 to $479 on Amazon, placing it in the mid-range segment while delivering flagship-level endurance. Number 4. Oukitel RT10. Focused on delivering strong performance and reliable durability, this rugged tablet is designed to handle both demanding work environments and everyday usage scenarios. Built with reinforced materials and certified with IP68 and IP69K ratings, it can resist water, dust, and shock damage, making it suitable for outdoor workers and travelers who require dependable equipment. The large 10.1-inch display offers sharp resolution and balanced brightness levels that help maintain clear visibility even when used outdoors. Under the hood, performance comes from a MediaTek Helio P22 processor combined with up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which supports stable multitasking for productivity tasks and media playback. Battery capacity is another highlight, featuring a large 18,000 mAh battery capable of lasting extended periods without charging interruptions. This long-lasting power makes it useful for extended workdays or travel situations where charging options are limited. The rear camera system includes a 16-megapixel sensor suitable for capturing work documentation and everyday photography. Pricing generally ranges from $329 to $399 on Amazon, making it one of the more affordable rugged tablets that still delivers strong endurance and durability. Number 5. Zebra ET45. Designed primarily for industrial and enterprise use, this rugged tablet focuses on reliability, connectivity, and long-term durability rather than entertainment features. Built with enterprise-grade materials, it meets strict durability standards and offers protection against drops, water splashes, and dust exposure, making it ideal for warehouse environments, logistics operations, and field service professionals. The 10.1-inch display provides clear visuals optimized for productivity applications such as inventory management, mapping, and business tools. Performance is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor combined with enterprise-level software support, ensuring smooth and stable performance for professional workloads. Battery life is designed for full-day operation, allowing workers to stay productive without interruptions. One of its strongest advantages is its advanced connectivity support, including Wi-Fi 6, optional LTE, and compatibility with professional accessories such as barcode scanners and docking stations. Unlike consumer-focused rugged tablets, this model emphasizes workflow efficiency and reliability in demanding industries. Pricing typically starts around $699 to $899 from enterprise suppliers, reflecting its professional-grade design and specialized business-focused features. Alright, that was our list of the best rugged tablets you can buy in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Next Top Tech for more powerful tech and rugged device reviews. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.